Ever since I was a kid, I always loved taking things apart. My parents would often find me in the garage with a screwdriver, with parts and circuit boards strewn across a bench. One of the things I quickly noticed when looking at these circuit boards as a kid is how every part had its own identifier. This is a basic element of any PCB, and it's easy to do in Flux. When creating a new part, all we have to do is add text to the footprint and then change the content. Let me just add a layout rule and set it to the designator. Now that we have a reference designator, let me just add a Silkscreen circle around it as well. Then we can control how big it is with a size rule. Silkscreen objects aren't limited to just parts though. If you look at this motherboard a bit closer, you'll notice it has more than just reference designators. There are all sorts of Silkscreen elements both for marketing and information for the customer. Likewise, we can add other helpful symbols or even a logo to our PCB in Flux. Let's just add an asset and find an SVG file. I'll leave a link in the description to a tutorial on how to create SVG graphics. Okay, now I just need to create a line and add an asset rule. When you set the asset to the SVG we uploaded, it might look like it disappeared, when in reality it's just really big. The default scale is in meters for some reason, but this is easy to fix. Just add a scale rule and set it to a small number. And there's my logo. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content like this every week.